Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you create payment request on Wise using your PC or your desktop. So firstly, use your browser and go to wise.com and log into your Wise account. So once you've logged into your Wise account, what you have to do is click on your currency account, whatever account that you have sufficient funds or that you're using. So click on your account. So once you've clicked on that, what you have to do here is you'll have an option called request on your right. So click on request. So here enter the amount of the payment amount that you're requesting. So for example, just put $5, and then you can type a note here if you wish to say something about this payment. So you can type a note here and then click on create payment link. All right, so now that you have created the payment link, so now all you have to do is just copy this link and share it in any medium or via through any methods you want, whether on social media, whether through WhatsApp, on social media, or your email or message or whatever it is. You can just send this link to the person who you are requesting the payment from, and they can just click on this link and then make the payment for it. So that's how pretty much it is. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.